We have a blackbird on each hand. Look at this. We got a male and a female. And they're very, very beautiful. Look at that guy. Wow. They're very tame. Oh, there goes the female. I think she'll be back though. Oh, oh, oh. See, that one wants to, another one wants to come. Come here, come here. There she is. Oh, oh, oh. He says, get away, get away.
He's a big guy.
See, we don't have any pigeons this time. Not yet, anyway. Whoa! Oh, battle of the males.
Yeah.
Battle of the... Whoa, look at this. Battle of the blackbirds. This is amazing. Look at these guys. They're just so tame. Wow. Here, show me front. The sides, the wings are just so beautiful.
Yeah.
You're going to run out of food pretty soon. But the other guys really want it. They're just waiting around. They're a little more shy. These guys are big, dominant alpha males.